Day 2. Let's go to Niagara Falls. Okay, while waiting for the sundo. Breakfast po siya. It's like raining. Yeah. Lagi na ulan pa dahil. Amazing. So pretty. Later, pupuntahan natin yan. Oh, may rainbow doon, oh. That's God's covenant. Yay! We're here! I'm so excited. Sobrang platina nung falls. Ganda-ganda. Sobrang ganda, guys. Diyan tayo sasakay later. Aww. Ganda. The best ka talaga, Lord. Galing. Let's go! Magbo-boat cruise na tayo. So excited. Hey, ayan lang siya, guys. Right behind us, no? Oh? Shout out sa pamangkin ko. Charot. Siya yung lagi nanonood ng vlogs ko eh. Avery, hello! Shout out! We got our poncho! Just wear this one. Right here. We're gonna board now. Yeah, kaya nga nag-picture na ako kanina eh. Hello. Wow. Wow. So pretty. Naka-plastic. Pag-plastic. Kilo na yan. Yes. Yes. Ilang kilo ka? We're going out. We're so excited. Yes. Kinikilig ako.
Be described as the American side of Niagara Falls, which in comparison is a smaller waterfall that lies far to the left of the Horseshoe Falls and is located between Prospect Point and Luna Island. According to scientific study and historical research, it has been concluded that the American Falls will eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces of erosion.
Wow.
The high flow rate of water causes the fall of large sections of bedrock from the American Falls, which is composed of soft shale and limestone. Though the height of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever preferred to go over the American Falls.
Yes.
All stunts were performed from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls, which is more popular with its immense water flow rate and shape.
Guys, we are now on the side of the Canadian Falls. Wow, grabe. Yes.
And is created naturally due to the massive erosion forces of falling water. The height of the Canadian Falls is 170 feet, or 52 meters.
Wow, yan na, guys. Kaya ako bumaba, okay na ako. Guys, grabe na to. Guys, this is amazing. But kailangan na namin bumaba. Wait lang. Yung ano pa rin mo. So ayan, nagtago na kami sa ilalim kasi rapid na talaga yung falls. And we are pasang sisiw na. But guys, it's so worth it. Grabe, amazing. Parang kasi picture at mga nasal ko mamaya sa aking video. Ganda. The aftermath. Mga nabasa. Diba? whirlpool area. Ah, ganda! Para siyang crossroads of water. Sobrang ganda ng mga bahay. Simple, mapuno. Yan. And then, grabe. So pretty. Nandito kami sa small chapel. Para siyang ilang person na yung kasha. Literal na small chapel, guys. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. It's like 8. It's like 8 people. Spread the gospel of Jesus Christ throughout the world. Alright, next stop, wine tasting. Wine tasting, the last stop of this day. And I'm excited for the wine. And pour it down. Still getting used to this bottle. So you only need a small amount because it is super sweet. You can use it as a dessert itself, or you can use it as a liqueur and drizzle it over top of ice cream, cheesecake, brownies, pie. I've even heard some people put it on their waffles in the morning, which would really give you a kickstart to the day.
Nice.
Okay. And 20% of the world's white.
Kami na natin itong ba?
Wine tasting na. We're going. We're home na. The besh. Go home. Crash on our bed and chill. Bye.
Di naman na lumabas ang mga tita.
Day 3.
Day 3. Cute naman. Ang cute din itong aso ko. Hanapin natin kung saan ba yung view dito. Parang hindi pa siya giving. Nagpunta pala kami sa dog park. Oh my gosh, the dude listen. Hi! Ay, andito ka pala sa akin. Hello! Let's go.
Hindi mo afford yung dog. Lagi ka dito.
Napunta kami sa dog park. Let's go.
Dito ka na kukuha.
Ang ganda.
Halika dito.
Wait lang.
Ang paa natin.
Yeah. Let's go. Habang hinahanap natin yun, mag-video tayo. Nasaan yung may design na maple leaf. Pero ang ganda here. Para siyang Nami Island, Beshi.
Nami Island.
Oo. Ganito siya. Ayun. Wala siyang flower today. Yung maple leaf na na design. Ayan siya. Picture na tayo here. We are at Jack Layton Terminal. We're going to Toronto Island. We're waiting for the boat. Pagod na rin kami. Pagod na rin kami. Nasa ferry na kami. Hello ka kuya sa vlog. Wow. Saan daw tayo galing?
Ako sa Qatar, siya po sa Vancouver.
Alam mo yung parang horror. Nandito Dito po tayo ngayon. Oh, hindi I don't like horror. Look at the houses, guys. Oh, sobrang, maliit. I don't know if it's part of the tourist.
Feeling ko pinagbabakasyonan lang nila to.
Or, oo, no. Parang may ganito sa New Zealand eh. Yung island na, retirement home.
Ay, baka dating ward to, kaya Wards Island. Ako, parang may multo.
Uuwi na po ako. Okay. Sarap mag-chill here. Sunset na. Ang ganda. We're just waiting for the night skyline. We waited for this na umilaw yung mga buildings kahit nabigla kami. Nabigla. But it's so good. We're going home na. Lamig na. Bye. Oh, bye-bye.
See you next.
See you sa chat.
I don't know when